Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss unit 5. Our topic is Mobius transformations. In this, one important question is there. Find the fixed point and the normal form of the following bilinear transformation. That bilinear transformation is given by W is equal to 3z minus 4 upon z minus 1. So in solution, we can say that the fixed points is given by, in place of W we will have to write Z only. So Z is equal to 3z minus 4 upon z minus 1. So it will become z square minus z is equal to 3z minus 4, or you can say z square minus 4z plus 4 is equal to 0. We know how to find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So after finding out b square minus 4ac, the value of b is minus 4. So minus 4 is 16, minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 4 is 16. So that discriminant is equal to 0, or we can say the root is only 1, because del is equal to 0 and z minus 2 whole square is equal to 0, or z is equal to 2. Is only the one fixed point. Therefore, transformation is parabolic. Because delta is equal to 0. If del is equal to 0 and we are obtaining only one point, because in case when delta is equal to 0, then it is having only single root. So value of z is single here. If it is having single value, then it is only having one fixed point. In that case, we can say that transformation is parabolic. It is the condition for obtaining parabolic transformation. Now, for obtaining normal form, first of all we will have to write that equation. W is equal to 3z minus 4 upon z minus 1. This is only our equation, which was basic equation given in question. So now it will be wz minus w is equal to 3z minus 4, or you can say wz minus w minus 3z plus 4 is equal to 0, or we can write it directly w minus 2 into z minus 2. If we are writing it in such a manner, plus 2z plus 2w plus 2z plus 2w minus w minus 3z is equal to 0. Why we are doing so? Concentrate here. Because if we are writing here w minus 2, w minus 2 and z minus 2, so it will be wz, that is here, w into minus 2, minus 2w, minus 2w and minus w, that is minus 3, minus 2w and minus w minus 3w plus 2w. So it is minus w. Here it is and minus 2z plus 2z is cancelled, so minus 3z, which is here only, and minus into minus is plus 2 to the 4, which is here only. So in this form we have to write it first of all, and then w minus 2 into z minus 2 plus, if we are taking minus sign common, we can take minus sign common here if we are writing z minus 2, because minus 3z plus 2z, so it will be z minus 2. Why we are taking 2? Because with w also we have to take 2. It is 2w minus w, that is w, positive w minus 2 is equal to 0. Here it is minus into minus plus 2, and here it is minus 2. That 2 is cancelled, and minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. That plus 4 is already here. So we can write it in this manner. By how we can obtain this 2? By getting our answer z is equal to 2 there in previous part. So on dividing, it by w minus 2, z minus 2, we get one minus 1 upon w minus 2 plus 1 upon z minus 2 is equal to 0, or 1 upon w minus 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon z minus 2. If we are shifting this 1 upon w minus 2 from LHS to RHS, it will become positive. These two parts will be positive only, which is only the required normal form. So it is very important in Mobius transformation to find out that which conic section it belongs. Here it is parabolic, and how to find its normal form. This is only the way to solve such type of questions. It is over now.